Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Mongolian cuisine offers a unique taste of nomadic traditions, quite unlike anything you've experienced. It's a hearty, flavorful style of cooking that tells stories of vast steppes and ancient customs. At the heart of this culinary heritage lies khuushuur, a dish that's much more than just food. Khuushuur, these savory fried meat pies, are a true national treasure. You'll find them everywhere, but they're especially beloved during festivals like Naadam. These aren't just simple pastries. They're packed with history and hold a special place in Mongolian culture. In this video, we'll explore where khuushuur comes from, how it's prepared, and what makes it such an important part of any celebration. A taste of tradition, the origins and cultural significance of khuushuur. Khuushuur isn't just a snack. It's a staple of Mongolian life, deeply woven into the fabric of daily meals and special occasions. Its origins lead us back to the nomadic ways of the Mongolian people. For centuries, Mongols needed food that was easy to carry, quick to cook, and packed with energy to sustain them on long journeys across the vast steppes. Khuushuur fit this need perfectly. These savory meat pockets provided essential sustenance, embodying a practical yet delicious solution for a mobile lifestyle. Over time, it evolved from a simple necessity into a beloved comfort food, a symbol of warmth and hospitality shared among families and friends. It connects generations, with recipes and techniques passed down, forming a delicious link to the past. Naadam Festival favorite, khuushuur's place in celebration. When you think of the Naadam Festival, beyond the wrestling, horse racing and archery, you also think of khuushuur. This traditional fried meat pie is as much a part of the Naadam experience as the competitions themselves. Imagine walking through the bustling festival grounds, the air thick with excitement and the tempting aroma of freshly fried khuushuur. Families often set up makeshift stalls, frying batch after batch of these golden pockets, making them readily available to hungry spectators. Eating khuushuur at Naadam is a communal experience. People gather, share stories and enjoy these crispy, juicy treats together. It's truly a staple of the festival, much like hot dogs at a baseball game or popcorn at a movie. You'll see everyone, from small children to elders, enthusiastically enjoying their khuushuur, often with a side of ketchup or a spicy sauce. It represents the joy and camaraderie of the festival, making an already memorable event even more delicious. In many ways, khuushuur embodies the spirit of Naadam itself, hearty, traditional, and full of life. Crafting the perfect khuushuur, ingredients and preparation. Making khuushuur from scratch is a rewarding experience, transforming simple ingredients into a truly flavorful dish. It is all about fresh components and careful preparation. Whether you are using traditional meats or exploring alternatives, the process is straightforward and fun. Let's walk through what you will need and the steps to create these iconic fried meat pies, ensuring each bite is delicious. The signature filling, mutton, beef, and savory seasonings. The heart of any khuushuur is its savory filling. Traditionally, mutton is the preferred meat, offering a distinct rich flavor that many Mongolians cherish. However, beef is a very common alternative, providing a milder taste that is equally delicious. Some even use a mix of both for a balanced profile. No matter your choice, the quality of the meat makes a big difference. Once you have your meat, it is time for the seasonings. These simple additions bring the filling to life. Typical ingredients you will use include onion, finely diced, which adds a subtle sweetness and moisture. Garlic, minced, provides a pungent aroma and deep flavor. Salt is essential for seasoning and enhancing other flavors. Black pepper adds a mild spice and warmth. The key to a great texture is how you prepare the meat. You want to mince it finely by hand or use a grinder. A finer grind ensures the meat cooks evenly and the filling has a cohesive texture. It should not be chunky. Once seasoned, mix everything thoroughly with your hands to evenly distribute the flavors. This preparation is critical for the juiciness and taste of the final product. These savory treats are more than food, they are a connection to culture and family. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.